Okay. Level 3 questions. Okay, level 1, level 2, pura guys were able to solve. So level 3. So NCRT, I'll skip a lot of them because you would have done it in class and you'd be given as homework also. So if there's any specific question that you guys want to do, something that you felt was difficult or did not understand, we will tackle that. But more or less like easy question, something that you can do on your own, I'll just skip that for now. So start off, like look at 10.3.2. This is actually a very easy question, but yeah, we'll just start off with this, get you guys warmed up before going forward. Two tangents, TP and TQ, are drawn to a circle with center O. So if you see the name TP and TQ है, मतलब circle है, circle के tangent है, the common point is T. So एक ही point से two tangents were drawn. Okay, T, P and TQ. Center is O. From an external point T. Acha, they've given that already. Prove that angle PTQ, okay, this angle is twice angle OPQ. So I have to join these two and also join this 2 times of this angle. Okay, so I'll give you guys a minute and a half. Draw the figure. Think about it. If you have already got it, कि कैसे start करना है, क्या करना है, go ahead. But if you're not able to figure it out in like a minute and a half, let me know and then we'll do it on the whiteboard.
Ma'am, should it be POQ because OPQ is
POQ
just a straight.
OPQ is not a straight line. अगर वो straight line बन
Okay,
गया
okay,
तो
that.
parallel हो जाएगा
Yes,
ना?
ma'am, understood. Yes, ma'am, understood. Sorry.
So this is very tiny. So like draw a proper figure, like bada sa circle, and then draw the tangents and then yeah, work it out. That's why draw the figure in your book, draw it clearly so that you get what the situation is.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Nikki.
According to my figure, how can PTQ be twice OPQ? Because PTQ is acute and OPQ is obtuse.
Are you looking at OPQ or POQ?
OPQ.
Okay, I'll draw the figure.
Oh, wait. Okay, OPQ. Sorry.
Yeah, okay.
I was looking at POQ.
Raghav, yeah. So you figured out or a question?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Done. Oh, nice. Right. Are you writing all the steps and everything, right? Properly? Because this is a prove that problem. Subjective hai. Like you need to do like learn the or present it properly.
And the properties also that is going to be used also.
Okay, cool. Okay, how many of you have like figured it out, got it, and you're just writing it? And how many of you are still trying to figure it out?
Still trying to figure it out.
Okay. Neil almost done. Mansi trying. Okay, Alina trying. ठीक है 3:14 हो रहा है ना, so 3:15 like take a minute do it. Sarah is almost done. Good. So this angle should be twice of this angle. Hmm. आसान है, 2 steps, you'll get it. Rest of you guys, Anirban, Tanusha got it, good. Puneet, Abhishek,
I'm doing close.
close, good. Puneet, Abhishek, Aditya, Ananya,
Doing, ma'am.
doing it.
Ma'am, I'm almost done.
Oh, nice, nice. Vasudha, Aditya Mundra, Divya and Ritvik, Bhavika, some of you mentioned that you're almost done a while ago. So whoever is completely done, look at 10.3.4. So this is direct. You can do it easy enough. Vasudha done. Awesome. Abhishek done. Ananya done. Good. Nice. Ritvik, Divya, and Aditya, Ryan, I have not heard from you guys. क्या हो रहा है? किधर हो? Neil is also done. ठीक है. Whoever has said done, like final step आ गया, do 10.3.4. And the rest of you, like whoever is still doing, Nikki, you said that you were trying earlier. अभी आ गया?
Yeah, I got it.
Awesome. Elena?
No, ma'am, I didn't get it yet.
Okay. I'll give you guys a hint, whoever is still doing it. So you need to do 2 things, okay? Use angle sum property in this quadrilateral. See, we need a relation between OPQ and PTQ. So the thing that contains this angle, either we can take ये वाला triangle, वो isosceles triangle होगा, or we can take like this quadrilateral. You can take any approach, but one way I saw, like the most easiest obvious way, is take angle sum property in this quadrilateral OPTQ and take angle sum property in this triangle OPQ. So usse, this will be your common ground. The reason why we're taking these two is angle POQ is common in both the cases. So wahan pe wo equate karke you can do something with it. And secondly, inka values pata hai ki it is 90 degrees. So you can substitute the values and then you can get it by that method also. Like even those unknown angles will get eliminated there. So angle sum property in OPTQ and angle sum property in triangle OPQ. So take these two equations, equate it with the common angle that you get, and then you'll get it. Cool. Raghav and Neil have given answer for 4th and both of you got very different answers. Kaise? Figure ठीक से draw किया? So both of you guys check the calculation, the figure. Maybe it could be a calculation error. I don't know what you did. Tangents, PA and PB, center O. Tangents are inclined at an angle of 80 degrees. So what angle is 80 degrees?
Ma'am, APB should be 8.
Ma'am, APB will be 80.
ठीक है, सही लिया फिर. Then angle POA. Oh, so you have to find this angle. ये तो direct question हो गया. So this whole angle is 80 degrees. So that's something that you need to take care of. So Ritvik and Sara also got it. Neil, Ritvik, Sara, Puneet, you guys are right. Raghav, what happened? Where did you? Dhruv also got it. Now you corrected it. Neki got it. Mansi got the second one. ठीक है. Awesome. Divya Khandar, what's going on? Haven't heard. Are you connected? Are you there? Network issues कुछ है क्या? Nothing on WhatsApp. Okay. Anirban, Abhishek, Ananya, 3 A's. Aditya Mundra, Divya Khandar, and who else? Ritvik has Sandhya. Ryan Gandhi. Have not heard from you guys. क्या हो रहा है? Yes, क्या? Like, at least tell me how you approach the problem or send the answer for 10.3.4. You saying yes, I don't know if you've done the problem, if you've done it correctly or not. So Ryan, what did you get answer for 10.3.4? Devi, I just saw that you connected now, like all good? Able to hear it? Are you able to see? You're muted. Okay, you're unmuted, but not able to hear you, Divya. Yeah, sort of, but there's a quite.
But I heard.
अभी ठीक है. So where are you at? 10.3.2, 10.3.4. Are you done with both, or are you done with any one of them? क्या हो रहा है?
Miss 10.3.4.
Okay. कर लो, आसान है, एक ही स्टेप का प्रॉब्लम है, आ जाएगा. Can catch up. All right. Oh, let's do 10.3.6. Because what छोटा सा question है, takes a little bit of understanding the question, drawing the right diagram, then think of the proof. Oh, Mansi, Alina, yeah, you guys, the answer that you mentioned, yeah, 50 degrees is the correct answer, 10.3.4. So all of you all got it right. See, so now look at 10.3.6. Proof that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So what is the figure looking like? Parallelogram circumscribing a circle matlab what is inside, what is outside, what does it look like?
Circle is inside the rhombus or parallelogram.
Correct. So circumscribe matlab bahar hona chahiye. Circum, like circumference, outer boundary. So it should be touching the circumference of the circle. So parallelogram looks kind of like this. So all the sides of the parallelogram are basically tangents. Okay. So now that you know this fact, let's call this A, B, C, D. We don't need the center of the circle for this question. So yeah, you can easily. So now what is the property of a rhombus? अगर कोई parallelogram को rhombus prove करना है,
all sides are equal.
All sides equal.
All sides are equal. So
I am getting that a pair of two sides, adjacent sides are equal.
yes.
Miss, all tangents are equal because like two is drawn from a same point and then
Yeah, absolutely. So rhombus may all sides should be equal, but because this is already a parallelogram, if you prove any pair of adjacent sides to be equal, chal jayega. That also works. Yeah, again, 325 ho raha hai. Take some time, 327 tak. If anybody's stuck till then, or if you need any help, we'll discuss it on the whiteboard. Otherwise, yeah, start doing it. So I'll check with you guys.
Ma'am?
Yeah, Ritvik, what's up?
Ma'am, does the diagonal of a like parallelogram cut each other at half?
Huh? Diagram of parallelogram, what?
Diagonals of a parallelogram, does it
Huh?
like intersect each other at the mid, like half?
They bisect each other, yes. If I draw the
Yes.
diagonals, but वो तो parallelogram का property है. हमें rhombus proof करना चाहिए. Rhombus maybe they bisect each other. Parallelogram maybe they bisect each other. Okay, start off what you're given. So basically AB, BC, CD and AD form the tangents. It's parallelogram circumscribing matlab. Also AB equal to CD, BC equal to AD. वो आ जाएगा. What is to be proven? Liख लो, then proof. So from whatever is given, start your steps of the proof. उसे क्या like tangents matlab as you said equal distances है. You can mark these points for convenience. P, Q, R, S. Then start your equations. Work it out. Okay, it's 327. What is the status, guys?
Completed the proof.
Puneet is already done. Good. Can you send the working, Puneet? Just want to see how you've written the steps.
Ma'am, okay, I will try to. I don't have my device. I will just get it done.
Okay. Okay, Puneet said is done. Neki is still working it out. Abhishek, Aditya, Tanusha is also done.
No, ma'am, I'm not working it out. Even I'm done.
Done. Oh, nice. Okay. I thought you said you were doing it pehle. So anyway, Abhishek Trivedi almost done. ठीक है. Aditya, Ananya, Anirban, Dhruv, Divya, Elena, बाकी सब लोग.
About to complete.
I'm doing it.
Okay.
It's almost done.
Nice, nice. So funda, you guys got it, like what to do and how to proceed. Equations भी सही से कर रहे हो ना? Like doesn't mean you write 2 steps of given and then write the final statement. Like logically आना चाहिए.
Miss,
Yeah.
I wanted to ask in this after we prove like DC DA equal, like their tangents drawn from certain point, and then if I prove DA and AB similar, same, Miss, then directly can I write similarly? We can prove AB and BC similar, same, instead of like writing the whole thing again.
Can you repeat that? If you prove.
If I only prove like 2 tangents equal and then I write similarly, we can prove other tangents equal.
Yeah,
Will that
and even if you prove 2 tangents equal, that is sufficient because ABCD is already a parallelogram, right? So if you got AB equal to AD, but AB is also equal to CD, so automatically, AB equal to AD equal to CD, and AD is anyway equal to BC, so charo equal ho jayenge. So you don't have to repeat the whole process. use the fact that it's already a parallelogram, तो उसके properties भी use कर सकते हो, आसानी से आ जाएगा. So that's why I said, like, rhombus proof करने के लिए just prove any two adjacent sides to be equal, and that will be sufficient. Okay, so whoever is done, can you just like raise your hand? So I'll have a count. Nikki Dhruv, okay, Vasudha. Neil, you mentioned you're also done, right? Okay, Ritvik is done. So Elena, Divya, Aditya, Tanusha, you also said you were done? Ryan, Divya, Aditya. So Tanusha, just raise your hand so that I have a count. Elena, what is going on? Where are you?
Ma'am, I got like the tangents, like the tangents are equal. So now I'm just figuring out how to like prove the rest of.
So once you have those equations, arrange them such that when you add, you get, like somehow PB plus AP on one side, so that you have AB, and then BQ plus QC on one side, that way. So,
Okay, ma'am.
so you have BP equal to BQ, AP equal to AS, CQ equal to CR, and DR equal to DS, right? So like, so AP plus PB will be equal to BQ plus AS. So यहाँ पे AB मिल गया. Then add CQ on the, so let CQ be on the other side when you're adding the equation. So BQ plus CQ will become BC. So that way manipulate it and add it so that you get it in that way.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Aditya, what happened? What have you missed?
I was in the meeting and then I had to leave. So like 5 minutes ago. So
Yeah, I
think,
saw
just
that.
a
I know
few
you were
questions
there
about
earlier.
it.
You just joined in. So what problem are you at? What's the last one that you've done?
I didn't write the number.
So did you
It
prove
was
the,
just a few questions above this, I think.
what is the last problem you've done, Aditya? Like the parallelogram rhombus one, or
The one above that, I think.
okay. So we just completed this, like everybody has pretty much done this. So you can resume from after this question. Just mark it and
Okay.
remember that you need to do that later. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Oh, 10.3.7. This is like one classic. This is like one type of problem that is usually asked in like 3 mark or 4 mark. So this also has like basically kind of like a set method. If you guys have done this before, already do it. Practice kar lo. Otherwise, we will discuss this. You have triangle ABC circumscribing the circle. So ye sare tangents hai. Radius is also given. This is 4 centimeter. Into which BC is divided. Okay, so BC, we know the side length, we know the individual lengths. This is 6 and this is 8. Find the sides AB and AC. Okay. So I'll give you a hint. Just like join this points. So, like, do you know where to start off, how to approach this problem, what to do in this?
I could the first side of half side of AB as 8. But it's not exactly bisecting, right?
No. So again, use the tangent ka properties. BD and B, like whatever this point, let's call it E and F.
Yeah, so that's why I got BE as 8.
That is absolutely correct. You didn't have to guess that. Property hai dono. So there's that. But we don't know AE. You can't say that this is 8 because this is not a bisector. So this is some other random x. So ye bhi x ban jayega. Aditya, hi. What's going on? Haven't heard from you at all abhi tak. Kya hua?
Ma'am, actually I was having unstable net, so I was solving the answers, but again and again my Zoom was not responding. So I couldn't unmute, I couldn't answer, I couldn't do anything.
Chalega, like even if you don't unmute, that might be heavy, but at least see if you can send it on chat or something. Okay.
Yeah,
abhi
ma'am,
tak-
now I have to another Wi-Fi, so it's not
Oh.
stable, I guess.
Cool.
No.
Okay. Do question number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
So anybody who's cracked it bus calculation bacha hai, to just like raise your hand or something so that I know ki kitne log are already doing it and how many need help though. Okay, Anirban's already gotten it. Good. Wonderful. Aditya is doing it. Both the Adityas. Okay, Abhishek Trivedi got it. Raghav, Elena, Mansi, Puneet. Nikki, Vasudha, Ryan, Dhruv, Divya, Neil, Sarah. Okay, doing. So whoever is like doing, like, agar mil gaya, bas calculation bacha hai. Okay, you guys are still figuring it out. Okay. Abhishek Trivedi has already got the final answer. So yeah. Tanusha, okay. I guess nahi, like if you trust your calculation ki sab kuch sahi kiya, that is the answer. Right. Yeah. Abhishek also got the same thing. Tanusha also got the same thing. Aditya also got it. Good. Whoever is still figuring it out, this is the key, okay? Equate the areas. So area of triangle ABC, एक ही triangle है तो वो constant रहेगा ना? So calculate this using Heron's formula क्योंकि sides तो पता है 6 plus x, 8 plus x, 6 plus 8, 14. And equate it to another way of calculating the area. Because we know radius, area of triangle ABC will be equal to the area of each of the individual parts. So in that case, use half into base into height. Like OBC ka rahega half into 4 into BC. This part will be half into 4 into 8 plus 8, 8 plus x. And this part will be half into 4 into 6 plus x. So equate both of them. एक ही variable है x. So after doing that whole set of calculations, you might get either a linear equation or a quadratic equation. But basically at the end of it, solving that equation will get you x. Sarah and Aditya also have solved it. Good. Puneet also has done it. ठीक है. ठीक है. I'll just lower all your hands. So now that I've told the method, start solving it. बस you just need to apply it and calculate it. इसके बाद भी if
Ma'am, I have
anybody
given an
has a doubt.
answer. Can you tell if I'm correct?
Sorry, who was that?
Ma'am, Ritvik, am I correct? I gave an answer.
Oh yeah, I mentioned, right? Sarah and Ritvik both got it.
Oh,
Raghav
okay.
also got it. Puneet also got it. Yeah. So do you guys remember Heron's formula? Formula क्या है? How do you find the area?
Root of S into S minus A
S
into
S minus A S
into
minus
S
A
minus C.
Yes, very good. ठीक है. But this is the key. Like area constant रहेगा, so you take that as the base and equate it. The rest of it is just pure calculation. Lena got it. Okay. Puneet, remember we were discussing that problem that 10.3.8, the result is basically that you're asked to prove that result.
Yeah, ma'am.
So 9 is ठीक है, this easy. So 9 is an application of 10.3.15. So 10.3.15 का जो proof that है, that in terms of numericals is 9. They both are the same problems.
Which sum are we supposed to do after 7?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like all of these are pretty easy. Just tangent passing through the center. Do 10.3.10. पहले सब लोग 7 complete कर लो, and then whoever is done with 7, look at 10.3.10. So पहले complete कर दो, then this. So PQR tangent है, AB is the chord parallel to the tangent. And you given this angle is 70. You need to find AQB. ये पूरा angle you need to find. Okay, Divya, one of the sides. Let me know the second side also. You also pretty much got it. Yeah. Just send the other side also. Mansi got it. ठीक है. Ritvik, did Aditya, Neil, okay, all of you are getting 10th. But I want to discuss 10, like how we'll just give it some more time, let everybody have done that, and then we'll discuss 10. Yes, Aditya got it. Both the Adityas plus Neil and Ritvik. Puneet also got it. Elena, are you done with question number 7? Can't remember if I saw your answer here.
Yeah, ma'am, I sent my answer at 3:42.
Elena, yes, got it. Yeah, found it. हाँ, after Elena, Divya has sent. ठीक है. Only 5 people have done 10. Tanusha, yes. Sarah, yes. Vasudha, Ananya, Abhishek, did you send 10?
No, ma'am, I'm solving.
Yet, huh. Raghav, Neki, you guys are also yet to send. Dhruv is also yet to send. Hello. Divya, yes, correct. So make use of the fact that it's parallel. Got it. Huh, Ananya got 7. So do 10, Abhi.
Ma'am, did you get my answer?
Who was that? Mansi? Yeah.
Yeah.
You'd sent it pehle also, right? 346. Huh. Abhishek also, yes. Oh, this is a good one. Whoever's done with 10, look at 11. Like start thinking, try to solve 11. Dhruv, yes. Acha, before we start 11, anyone wants to discuss 10 kaise kiya? Ritvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. How did you get the answer for 10?
Ma'am, actually, I am not actually sure I have got it.
So kaise, like, was that a random guess?
No, because I got it like angle OQR is equal to 90 degree.
Yes.
So because that angle BQR is equal to 70, that means that angle OQB will be 20 degree.
That is absolutely right. Okay.
But then I don't, so like I think it will cut the angle, the OQ will cut the angle in half over here. So from that I said 40 degree.
Assume kiya. Okay, who can explain how this is 40? Like yahan tak theek hai, this is absolutely right. You also have to make use of the fact that ye dono parallel hai na. Who can prove that AQB is 40? Did everybody do the same thing? Like yahan se yaar 20 mil gaya, so 2 times 20, 40. I kind of expected it. That's why I wanted to discuss this. Abhi a question subjective mein aaya to like how are you guys gonna solve it? Who else have answered it? Neil, how did you do this?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So yes, ma'am. So like first, that AB is parallel to PQR. So we can say that angle B is equal to angle PQR, which is 70 degree because of alternate interior angle.
Alternate interior, absolutely. ठीक है. Then?
Yes, ma'am. And OQR is 90 degrees.
So this will be
So we
20.
know that
Rick has mentioned that. Then
yes, ma'am. So that will be 20. And angle AMO is also 90 degrees.
you call this M. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. The center point of like A and B.
So that is where
So MA.
So because this is 70, this is 20, that is why you can say that this is perpendicular. Okay. So it's not a given thing that M is the center point of AB. So you can't assume that naturally. Okay. So ye 70.
Miss, it's parallel. So like MQR is 90, so it will be like co-interior angles, right? So
Oh
that
yeah.
will be 90.
He step me
Yeah,
That
exactly.
is absolutely, yeah, that's perfect.
Because we have radius perpendicular to tangent.
There you go. Yes. So ये 90 है. This is parallel to this. तो ये भी 90 होगा. इसलिए you can prove that AM equal to MB. So once you have bisect कर रहा है 90 degrees है.
But if we have 90, then how did we prove AM is equal to MB?
क्योंकि this is passing through the center, right?
It's not. Okay, it's
QOM. So that's why this O is given here. And that's the whole reason.
I think there was a
yes, sir.
on this, right?
It's O here. Yeah. So
we do not need to find that only. We could just say that since OM is passing through the center and therefore it bisects the chord AB. Therefore, AM is equal to MB.
No.
Because we have a theorem, right?
Ma'am, can we solve this
passing
to,
through MB.
For that,
congruence?
you need one moment. So Neki, for that, you need it to be perpendicular. अगर perpendicular है, तभी bisect करेगा. And अगर bisect कर रहा है, तभी perpendicular रहेगा. I can also have a random line. This is O.
Okay.
And it can be something like this, right? तभी ये bisect नहीं कर रहा है, 90 degrees भी नहीं है. So that's the reason we needed to get at least one of these two things कि perpendicular होना चाहिए. वो parallel line के साथ मिल गया. So then AM equal to MB. Then you can prove that this triangle is isosceles. So then you can directly get that, okay, this is also 20 and 20 into 2, 40. Yeah, Raghav, you're mentioning another method or something?
Ma'am, instead of proving it's an isosceles, you can do congruent method by RHS and you can find that AQM equals to BQM. So
absolutely.
both will be 20.
Yeah. So but it being isosceles is another result of the same RHS congruency. So same difference. But basically you needed to come to the step that AM equal to MB. Uske baad congruency se you'll get these two angles and you can easily get that. Okay. Cool. So if at all you get this question in the exam, you can't directly jump from 20 degrees to this thing. And you can't just say, acha figure dekh ke lag raha hai ki M is the midpoint of AB. Do not assume anything. Figure is drawn by like humans. हम कैसे भी draw कर सकते हैं. You need to prove that result. Okay. ठीक है. So now 10 हो गया. Look at 11. Anybody has like started or completed 11?
I'm started.
Okay. 355 हो रहा है ना? Again, 357 तक, like if you figured it out, if you're halfway solving it, just raise your hand. So based on that, we'll see if we can discuss it further or not. Okay. Raise your hand and keep it, okay? So if you figured it out, raise your hand. Anirban has already got it. Good. One more person has got it. Who is this? Amey. Hi, Amey. I didn't like. When did you join in? Definitely not till 3:15. Late hua. Puneet, I just saw 10.3.6 that you sent. So that's what I'm saying. You can't just say from 1 to 3. Like, where is 2 and 3? Like, you need to show, like, from that step, how did you come to AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to CD?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you need to show that addition and then subtraction, like whatever you did to get that result. That's the whole point of proof. You need to show how you got it. From 1 to 3, matlab if I multiply that, I'm definitely not gonna get what you did here. So you need to show that. This goes for everybody. Like, don't just say from this we get the final result. क्या अभी 4 हो रहा है ना? So after this 11th question, all of you scan your work and send the PDF. I want to see how you're presenting it. Once we finish off 11th question, I want to see how you're doing the questions. Scan and send the PDF abhi tak class mein jo kiya, because I want to give some pointers on your presentation also. Because if you do that in the exam, you will not get marks for sure. Okay, 358. Mansi, some questions are not done properly. See, if you write in short forms, wo chalega. Like, I'm not expecting write full sentences and everything. But when you're doing the proof, I need to see that you didn't just jump so that you'll get the final result. Which the logical sense banna chahiye. Even if you wrote isosceles or alt int angles, wo bhi chalega. But I want to see some sort of logical sense dikh raha hai ki nahi. So once you have that down, then we'll work on, like presenting it properly with the sentences and all of that. Even if you haven't written like given, to, find, to, prove also, I don't mind it at this point of time. I just want to make sure that your proof is like sound, like something that anybody can accept. It shouldn't be like abhi humne jo discuss kiya, oh that is 20, so it'll be 20 into 2, but 20 into 2 kyun hai? That I need to see. So 11th, only 4 people have gotten so far. Rest of you guys are stuck. Should I do it on the whiteboard? Five people now. Six, okay. Just do one reaction, guys. It'll hardly take like 10-20 seconds. Puneet, Tanusha, Mansi, Neki, Neil, you guys couldn't figure out 11?
Miss trying.
Trying, okay. Trying is okay. That way I'll get a sense, are you doing it or not? That's why I announced at the beginning. If you figured it out, you're already halfway done, raise your hand so that I know. Agar nahi aaya, then I will discuss it here. Okay, seems like you guys are split 50-50, so I'll do it on the whiteboard.
I have sent my solution.
Sent. I'll look at it in a bit, Anirban, like once I do it on the board, huh? Okay. My screen is all filled up. इसको इधर रखते हैं. All right. So 10.3.11. So let's draw the figure. Naturally, there's a circle and there's a couple of tangents. Okay, what else are they saying here? From an external point B of a circle with center O. Okay, so this point is B, circle ka center is O. Two tangents are drawn, BC and BD. So this is C and this is D. Such that angle DBC is 120. So DBC, oh, this angle is 120. So it's supposed to be obtuse. See, this is what I'm talking about. The figure is not perfect, but it is making sense. The external points say tangents here. So that way. Prove that BC plus BD equal to BO. So angle BCD equal to 120 degrees. So to prove is BC plus BD is equal to BO.
Ma'am, you write angle BCD instead of DBC.
Ah, yeah, thank you. That is a very dangerous mistake to make. DBC, right. Okay. Or in other words, because BC equal to BD, we need to prove that BO is equal to 2 times BD. Proof. Okay, let's join this and see if that helps us. See, 120 degrees we are given. And by proving these two triangles congruent, which we have done, like you can use RHS, right angle, common side, radius. ये दोनों triangles congruent रहेंगे. That's how we got BC equal to BD tangents angle का, like equal tangents का proof. We can also say that this angle is equal to this angle. So by RHS, triangle BCO is congruent to triangle BDO, which means that angle CBO equal to angle DBO equal to 60 degrees. Again, so it's a relation between, like you're given an angle ka information, and it's not just like 90 degrees angle ka information. So use trigonometry, that will be to our advantage. So in right triangle BDO, ये है right angle. So I'll take, I need a relation between BO and BD. तो अगर ये right angle है, तो I need relation between hypotenuse and BD is the adjacent side. So I can take cos 60 degrees is equal to. So what is cos 60?
1 by
And 1 by 2.
हाँ, but इस triangle में cos 60 क्या होगा? I want
BD by BO.
somebody who has not raised their hand to answer. So either Aditya Mundra or
BD by BO.
there you go, BD by BO. So cos 60 is also, as these guys have said, 1 by 2 is equal to BD by BO, which means cross multiply करने के बाद we got it directly, BO equal to 2BD. Now 2BD, because BD is equal to BC, I can also write this as BO equal to BC plus BD. दोनों result आ गए, hence proved. ठीक है. All right. So once you're done noting this, like doing this question, actually I'll remove it. If you've seen, if you've understood the problem, write it down on your own, Abhi. And once you're done with this question, scan and send all the problems that we did till now. So what all problems did we do? We did 2, 4. Did we do 5? No. 6 we did. 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 के बाद
10.
10 and 11. So 6 questions. Scan it and send it.